tattoos, I don't piercing. Don't be stressing, be patient and coming. Talk to your bro, gon' make it, you know it. I go to war with whoever. I stay that money forever.
Yo, what's poppin' YouTube fam? It's your boy Joe Fit Johnson, back at it again with the daily upload. We about to hit a quick workout. We got an hour. I'm gonna hit some push and some pull. Last couple of days been a lot of boxing focus, so today we're gonna be focusing on getting some hypertrophy and some volume into the muscles. We getting straight to I can't see nobody stopping us. Stoppable. What we're doing is we're getting started off with a warm-up. So something that I've been doing for years is actually doing a little bit of cardio to warm up my body before I get into my lifts. When I first got into my journey and I was working on gaining weight, I was very anti-cardio. So I would just get, and I know a lot of people that just lift and they just get straight into just warm-up sets, but I feel like I have an overall better workout and it helps me to just get through the grog and just like not feeling like working out when I do a little bit of cardio, get my body warm, get everything just going, you feel me? Get everything going. So starting off with some light cardio, whether it be jump roping, treadmill, rows, biking, boxing, something to get the full body warmed up, get me out of that foggy, groggy mood. And then what we're gonna be working on today, I only have a quick 45-minute, hour-long workout, so we're gonna bang out triceps. So I'm gonna show y'all a bunch of my favorite tricep movements, as well as like form techniques and different things like that that really help to just maximize that tricep mind muscle connection, as well as the pressing that I like to do for triceps. So make sure y'all watch to the end. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'm gonna walk y'all through it each step of the way. So show some love. We out here. So things that you want to prepare before you load up your triceps: shoulders, right? Because you're going to be doing a lot of pressing, so you want to make sure you stretch out your shoulders nice and good. We're going to be doing dips. We're going to be doing chest press, bench press, close grip pressing, right? When we're hitting our triceps, we're focused on close grip pressing, right? Working up light, going up heavier each set, really fatigue our triceps, and then we're going to be supersetting isolation triceps with, kickbacks, push downs, etc. But first we want to get our strength, we want to get our triceps loaded up with some weight, and then from there we're going to burn the triceps out. So in between my sets, I always stretch to maximize my time. Even when it's not leg day, I still stretch out my legs just to keep everything. I know I'm about to be kicking shit Liu Kang. So we're gonna start off with some close grip push-ups, close grip bench. Close grip push-ups are cool. If you wanna make them harder, put your feet up on a bench, decline close grip push-ups. So I'll do those a lot of the times. Today, it's been a while since I did bench, so I'm gonna do some close grip bench. Start off light, each set work up heavier. And then in between that, I'm gonna be really activating the triceps with some lightweight kickbacks. So yeah, we're gonna get to work. All right. So something else that I do when I'm doing this close grip bench is I put my knees up, put my legs up, so it's all arms. It's no power is being driven from my legs, and we're bringing our elbows down to our side, not out wide. Right, right here. Quick 20 piece, and then we're just gonna increase the weight each set. Probably end up doing between 5 to 8 sets with superset of tricep kickbacks in between. In between sets, grab this bar. So I come from the bottom to the top, open up my chest, flip my shoulders over, reverse grip. What I like to do to really, so I can feel my triceps really activating when I do this close grip bench, is in between sets I do a lightweight tricep kickback. And I'm telling you, like, I don't know, my triceps, like my mind muscle connection is crazy, so like I can feel my tricep already, like the muscle's just fucking squeezing like a mother freaker right now. So I'm just really just focused on that contraction, getting them triceps woken up, warmed up. And when I bench press, it's gonna burn. So when you're doing these tricep kickbacks, look at my tempo, right? I'm not rushing, I'm literally, elbow is tight, it's not moving, right? Elbow is highest point of my body. Kick it back, hold it. Make that shit burn, y'all. Don't run from it. Feel it. All right. So when I get to the top, I'm squeezing it for like 2 seconds. Really focus on that mind-muscle connection. Feeling that shit. And then after you get the good time under tension reps, you can just boss it out. Bop. In between, I'm doing some rotation. You know, with all the boxing, you gotta keep your rotator open. So 25 on there. In between sets, stretch was tight. My triceps, I can literally feel them already tightening up. So that was a quick 15 piece. So I'm not going to failure on these sets, right? I'm leaving a little bit of gas in the tank because I'm still working up and I'm working up heavier. Now, once I get to my heavier sets, I'm gonna go to a failure and then I'm gonna start drop setting and then those sets will be to a failure. 20, 15, 10, 8, reverse, back up, drop set. Like I said, you definitely don't have to do bench press. Literally, diamond push-ups, close grip push-ups honestly work just as well. Especially like if it's too easy, obviously just do more reps, more sets, but also elevate yourself. Put your feet up on a bench, get a weight vest, put some weight up on you, put a resistance band on your back. So you can grab a resistance band, put it around your back, lock it to the floor under your hands, and then do close grip push-ups with a resistance band. If I can find one, I'll show y'all real quick. Let me see if I can find one. All right, I couldn't find the bands for y'all, but y'all get the idea, right? Band comes around your upper back, you put it under your palms, you push up, right? But yeah, close grip push-ups, close grip bench, followed by isolation tricep extensions, whether it's kickback, whether it's rope, whether it's resistance band, you hook it onto something and you do tricep extensions. A lot of ways to go about it. Let's get it. With the coming down close, elbows tucked, it's tough. That's all triceps pushing. It's not coming wide with your chest. So that shit is tough. So then we're gonna isolate again, tricep extensions. So I went up heavier on this one and I'm using a dumbbell, slightly different. It's a different grip, right? So with the plate, I'm like this. So it's really hitting that long head right back here versus with this, it's more of a hammer grip. So it's still hitting the tricep, but it's a different grip. So it's honestly, it just hits the tricep different, but still the same idea. I'm still controlling it, trying to get that pause at the top. Once I can get that pause, then I'm just burning out and repping it out. I honestly feel a better squeeze and a better mind-muscle connection with the lighter weight, but we're gonna hit this too. Top set, we're gonna aim for 5, then we're gonna drop set and then burn out with all the lighter sets. Let's go. Breath work is important. Make sure y'all got y'all breathing. Be a millionaire. All right, so I'm losing my form, right? Because I want to be here. Since it's heavy, I'm kind of going back to standard benching. You want to keep it here close, so I'm pretty much going too heavy. So it's really not honestly about going super heavy. It's really about that form and that close grip. All right, so now instead of that tricep kickback, we're gonna do overhead tricep extensions. Start off a little light. I'll flip this over here. Full range of motion, so we're coming all the way back, all the way up. Get to the top, spread them open. So in between the overhead tricep extensions, I'm still go back and hit that bench, right? Because I'm doing lightweight for volume. But in between that, you got to get the dips in. Dips are just foundational for triceps. I'm feeling fatigued and time's running out, but I will recommend definitely doing weighted dips. I'm gonna show y'all how to do the weighted dips. We're going to get a couple sets in. My triceps is definitely feeling it. So. Quick 20 piece. Come on. So another one of my absolute favorite tricep exercises is gonna be single arm tricep extensions. And I use this little ball up here. So we're gonna drop the weight nice and light, right? Pull this down a bit, grab the ball. And when we do this, elbows jam tight to our ribs. Here, squeeze. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The good form, then you can pulse out cheat reps. After you do the cheat reps, assist your other hand to get past failure. Got that pump going crazy. Grab the ball at the top, jam that elbow into the rib. Great posture. 1, 2. Negative 3 seconds. Down. 1, 2. Control the negative. 1, 2. Alright, so I was just pretty much showing y'all how to do weighted dips. You're gonna stack the dumbbells on top of each other, and then you're gonna come down, grab the weight, and then go up. If you can do generally more than 10 to 12 weighted dips, good form, regular dips with good form, you wanna start increasing the weight, heavier than your body weight. So start adding weight, 10 pounds, 15 pounds, 20, 30, and start getting used to pushing more. This is a good rule of thumb for all calisthenics. Like if you can do a solid 10, 12 reps, then start adding weight and getting used to pushing more than your body weight. It's gonna get your gains a lot better. It's gonna get you way stronger. Alright man, so we just got it in, you feel me? Quick 45-minute, hour-long banger, you know? Each workout ain't gotta be a 2-hour-long, full crazy workout. Sometimes you gotta just go in there and get a pump, you feel me? Because it's a lot easier when you don't go for a day, don't go for 2 days, don't go for 3 days to fall off, and just to continue stacking, not going versus just to go. Gotta just go and just get something in. Something is always better than nothing, and that's what a lot of people don't understand. Small deposits daily is better than no deposits at all or inconsistent deposits. just go. 30.
Now, first cash money piece. Told him I wanted all. He said, even my gold teeth. I caught Black Street on the back street in the black.
All right, so I'm about to go home. I'm about to make some chickpea pasta. If you're not hip with the chickpea pasta, there's a link down below. There's a free Trader Joe's meal prepping guide. Has a bunch of stuff that I like to get from Trader Joe's. And not only that I like to get, but that I've been referred to and that will help a lot of people out there. I don't eat chicken and beef and things like that, but a lot of y'all do, turkey even. So yeah, it's a lot of helpful stuff. Fruits, coconut waters, just little different stuff that I like to tap in with. So definitely don't sleep on that. Hit the link down below and grab that. But yeah, the chickpea pasta's in there, the lentil pasta that I really like. Both of these are high protein, high fiber, complex carb pastas that is better than just eating white pasta. So definitely check it out. I'm about to make it. I'm probably not gonna bring y'all with me to cook it. Literally, you just boil it, you know what I'm saying? Add some red sauce, add some freaking garlic salt, garlic powder, season it up, call it a day. It is a little bit firmer of a texture. It's not all soft. Takes a little bit of adjusting to, but it's good. Gets the job done. We eat for gains over here. We don't eat purely for pleasure. You feel me? It's a mindset ting. So yeah, that's what I'm about to go home and eat. Might make a smoothie, depending on, honestly just ate before I left. I mean, like, I'm literally still burping up food that I ate before I went to the gym. It didn't fully digest, but I hadn't really ate enough all day. So it is what it is. Make sure y'all hit the like, hit the subscribe. Like I said, the chickpea pasta is from Whole Foods, but you can get some from Trader Joe's or lentils. I mean, you can get lentil pasta or chickpea pasta from Trader Joe's, but I'm gonna post a picture anyways from Whole Foods. So yeah.